To create a chamfer effects, step number 1, just remove the radius. Give yourself a top view. Zoom close to the area that you like to chamfer. Select the cable tray. Do not use the plus sign, but use the arrow to lengthen to extend until you hit the
wire raise and connector.
No. If you want me to talk, don't talk along. Okay. And now you still, it will not ultimately do that for you. So give yourself a good view, isometry, whatever. And again, on the other end, extend the arrow until you see the other node. And ultimately, it will give you a nice chamfer that you can just love it.
No, a 10.